Hello guys, how to fix disk 2 fragmented error code in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is delete clear any junk files. Go to Windows search and type disk cleanup. Here choose drive C and press OK button. Select all the files to delete by selecting all the checkboxes and finally click OK button. Check all options, temporary files, recycle bin and click OK button. Then click delete files button in the next window to continue. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? And now it will clear all your junk files in your Windows system. The next workaround is defragment your disk. Type defragment, open defragment. Here choose C drive, click on optimize button. This will optimize the drive you have selected and your system will run smoothly afterwards. And check if your problem is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Now check hard drive health. Go to Windows search, type cmd, open command prompt Windows as administrator mode, and here execute the command disk drive get status. Press enter. Now you can see if the status of the hard disk health and make a backup copy of files from the hard disk. It should be a status as good. The next workaround is restore system using system restore. Go to Windows search, type rstrui. System restore window will appear. Click on next to proceed. Here select restore point from the list and click on next button. At last click on finish button to continue restoring the system. Confirm your restoration point. The next workaround is perform chk dsk on your system. cmd run as administrator. To open command prompt Windows and here execute the command chk dsk xfr and press enter. After completion, restart your Windows system. That's all.